بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا. من يهده الله فلا مضل له ومن يضلل فلا هادي له. وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. أما بعد، Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the channel, The Pen and Banner, القلم واللواء. This project is built upon two ideas deeply rooted in the Islamic tradition. Number one, the pen, representing the student of knowledge. And number two, the banner, representing leadership through knowledge. The pen, or in Arabic, القلم, is the start of the journey, the seeking, the discipline, the quiet work that no one sees. And the banner, اللواء, is what you raise after that, a symbol of clarity, guidance, and responsibility. In essence, the pen and banner reflect a path from seeking knowledge to living it. The knowledge presented on this channel is focused on the Arabic language, not just to speak it, but to use it as a key to unlock the Qur'an, the Hadith, and the sciences of Islam. Most of the content you'll find here, especially at the beginning, will be audio-based. These are technically video uploads, but the experience is designed to be listened to, like a podcast. You don't need to sit and watch the screen, just listen, while walking, driving, or during your downtime, as long as your heart and mind are with the content. Because without focus, it's just sound. Now, I'm a student of Arabic myself. أنا طالب في اللغة العربية. Still learning slowly, week by week. This channel is both a resource and a record. That's what I've intended it to be. A place to share what I've studied and everything I've reached the level to teach. Now, you'll find, number one, Arabic immersion stories. Number two, breakdown videos where we analyze each sentence. Number three, one-off reflections on grammar, meanings, and the beauty of the Arabic language, and more, inshallah, as the journey grows. Nothing here is presented as perfect. It's sincere, it's in progress, and it's for anyone who wants to walk the path of the Arabic language. If you benefit from anything, I invite you to share it, and if you notice a mistake or believe something could be better, you're welcome to reach out with sincere advice. The comment section will be open, and soon I'll add ways to contact me by email or social media platforms. I intend for this channel to serve as a stepping stone for me and for you to understand the deen of Islam through its language, to walk with the pen and to raise the banner. وصلى الله وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.